Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Education and Entertainment. Today's video is on tips and tricks to improve handwriting and certain hand exercises for your benefit. So, without any ado, let's begin. First tip is on how to sit or sitting posture. Sitting posture should be straight in a comfortable position. Neither one should bend forward nor backward while writing. Second tip is on position of holding the pen or pencil. The correct way to hold the pen or pencil is in between the thumb and the first finger, at least around 1 centimeter above the nib. This position is called as tripod grip. Third tip is on placing the writing material. Place the paper or the book in a slanting position while writing. Fourth tip is on spacing. Spacing between the words have to be equal and reasonable. Reasonable means neither two words should be too near nor two words should be too far. Although there is no exact measurement as to how much space has to be left between two words, but they should seem almost equal. Fifth tip is formation of letters. You have to follow the correct formation of the letters, otherwise speed will decrease. In case of cursive writing, if you want to learn how to have the correct formation, I have videos on cursive writing, 4 minutes to beautiful handwriting, which are uploaded in the channel already. See and practice them. Sixth tip is on sizing of letters. Sizing of letters matters equally as spacing. Writing letters too big or too small will jumble up certain alphabets called as descenders. Alphabets are divided into three forms: ascenders, descenders, and the middle ones. Ascenders like B, D, F, and descenders like G, J, etc. So, apart from the ascenders and descenders, the other alphabets should be half the line. Uniformity should be maintained, and all alphabets should look similar in size. Seventh tip is on slant or straight. Slant form of writing looks more beautiful than straight form of writing. But in case you are not comfortable in slant form of writing, then write everything in a straight manner. Don't make a mixture of both slant writing and straight writing. Some people have a habit of mixing up both of them, which makes the writing look worse. Again, uniformity has to be maintained, or you can say uniformity is the key. Hand exercises should be done on a regular basis to improve speed and flexibility of the hands while writing. It also lessens the pain while writing. Simple exercises like folding your fingers of the hands to form a tight fist. Hold them, hold them for 10 to 15 seconds and release. Do it 3 to 5 times. Stretching of hands up and down, rotating your shoulders in a circular motion, both clockwise, anti-clockwise, rotating your palms backward and forward, as well as rotating it anti-clockwise and clockwise. All these exercises should be done on a regular basis. Last tip is practice. Nothing can replace practice. Only practicing all this will make you perfect.